to have fun. Where we headed today? We're gonna have some fun. Let me hear you say, yeah! So we just got to, what, Bubba? Okay. Well, we just got to the Roba's adventure farm or family farm. There's a lot of things here that we can do. So we haven't even gotten into the actual farm yet, and Bub is finding all types of. Look at this. Look, Bub. He's finding all different types of nonsense to look at. Look, it's like a little. I guess it's a little cave for all the plushies. That's kind of cool. Oh, look, it's a little farm. That's not a farm. I'm losing my mind. I don't know what this is.
That's a dinosaur game.
Okay, maybe this is a little boring. Aw, it's so cute. Look at it. Oh, they're finger puppets.
Yeah.
Is this finger puppets too?
Yeah.
No, this isn't finger puppets. Well, don't pull them out because you have to buy that. You can't just leave them. Oh, look, a little medical set. Look, Bubba. This has a stethoscope. Well, maybe we'll get this. What kind of dinosaur is it? It has a stethoscope in it so you can take care of them if you're sick. What are you doing, silly? That pumpkin's way too big for you.
Get up. There's no time to sleep.
Sleep. Goat feeding section. We just got some food. Let me see what you got. Oh, be careful. You got it? Now, I think that to help you out, you should put that lizard in your pocket, honey.
Why?
Because you need your hands to hold stuff, right?
I don't want to go to eat it.
Yeah, and you don't want the goat to eat it. Here you go. All right, we just got to the goat feeding section and we have food. Here, you got to put it in through the hole. There you go. Oh, he's cute. I don't think that one's hungry anymore. I don't think that one was hungry anymore. Here, you want me to hold your lid? All right.
Go run.
Oh, it's a bunny farm.
So grab a drink.
Oh, yeah, you can feed them in this little hole.
Kids run wild.
Look how cute that one is. He looks like an Oreo.
Parents need to enjoy themselves too.
Oreo.
Yeah, we'll call him Oreo. And then it says chickens are very social. They peck to establish their social rank. This is a chicken's way of deciding who is the leader. Here. Yeah, let's go check them out. What's inside? Oh, they're chickens.
Because these things get picky.
Yeah, they could peck you. Oh, do you see there's eggs? They have eggs in there.
There's raptors hitting.
You want to feed him? He's hungry. You have boogies sometimes too. Don't judge him. You gonna get in that one?
I know details.
What's in the corn? Look, what's in the corn? I think so.
Here's your guy. A little floppy, huh? A little malnourished looking. Well, we'll fix that together. We'll make it nice and strong. Oh, it's my wishbone. I always forget. Can you grab one wishbone out of there? So if at any time the fluff starts to kind of clump in one foot and not
That's
the
a good
other,
idea.
head on back and we can top it off.
Okay, thank you.
Together, you have a name idea for your new friend? I love it. Keep it.
Say thank you. Oh, so look, the name of this one is a Deinonychus. Oh, Deinonychus. Deinonychus. Oh my God. It has a pronunciation on there. Pray for me.
That's the toy I have.
Deinonychus. That's the one you have, but what color is yours? Is yours not blue?
Orange.
It's orange. Oh, look at the long neck. Look at the sound this one makes. Do you hear that? Oh, I hear a raptor calling. Now I know a raptor call. This is a Europasaurus. Oh, don't pick the pumpkins. They're just growing. So this is a pumpkin patch. Oh, is that its mama? And here goes the baby. Look how cool he looks.
I was watching the TV.
Uh-huh.
The toy was like to eat me.
It's gonna eat you.
Yeah, last time I was
Here, stand right there. Oh, he's still going strong, guys. Be careful now. It's a deep water underneath of you. Yep. There's alligators under that water. Oh, be careful. Oh.
Get up here. There are alligators.
All right.
Alligators cannot fly.
No? Look at him go. Say, excuse me, friend. Go on one side. Good job. Guys figured that out. I am impressed. Woo! Spider-Man. All right, come on. Only you can get through this course. Go. Come on. Come on, Super Ninja. Let's go, Super Ninja. Woohoo! You did it.
I got soap.
This is a good one.
I got soap.
Ready, buddy?
Yeah. Don't worry.
Look.
I got soap just last time. Mommy's a friend.
Okay, we don't put them on the ground, buddy.
Hi, Daddy. Look at this big bubble.
Look how long that was. If you look, you go like this, look, and you turn yourself, look.
All right, Bub's up there.
No more. That's red.
Just go with your friend. She's waiting for you.
I don't know what he got planned.
I don't know.
Oh, he's coming down. Oh, that looks like so much fun.
Down to get up.
Good job, buddy. You're so brave. Ooh. You going again? One more time?
Yes.
Okay. I'll be down here waiting. I'm watching you.
That's like 5 times.
5 times? Whoa. We'll be here a while.